Hi, today we're going to see how to create a pop out of circle effect in Photopea. So now the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our layer here. So go to select and then remove BG. So here it is, and I'm going to do it a second time. So go to select again and then again remove BG. So here I will need to watch an ad. So here it is, and now just select the raster mask here, right click on it and then click on apply. And now I'm going to change the canvas size here. So go to image and then canvas size. So now I'm going to change the width to 2000 pixels. So here it is. I will have a square image, sorry. So press OK. Now I'm just going to create a background for my layer. So click here to create a new layer. I'm going to fill it with white. So select the paint bucket tool. I'm going to switch between the foreground and background. Foreground is white and then left click. And now I'm going to place my background layer. So here, this layer here, I mean. So for this one here, I'm going for the women layer. I'm going to scale it up, select the move tool. Click on the transform controls and now I'm going to scale it up. So here, I think I'm going to leave it here like this. And now I'm just going to uncheck the transform controls to remove the controls. And now I'm going to create my circle. So left click here and then select the ellipse tool. And now in order to create a perfect circle, hold the shift key and then drag. So here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. So here it is. So here you can either add the stroke or the fill. You can either, so for me I want to add fill, you can either add gradient, or for me I found that the pattern one was much better. So I'm going to leave to the pattern. For this stroke, I removed it. So now I'm just going to left click here on the opacity, reduce it, select the move tool, and now I want to place it so where I want the women here to pop, for example, from the circle. So here I think it's okay here. Now I'm going to bring back the opacity, my circle layer. Now I'm going to place my circle layer under the women layer. So here it is. Now select the women layer. I'm going to duplicate it, right click, duplicate layer. I'm going to hide this one for now. Select the bottom one, right click on it, and then select clip in mask. So here, as you can see, it clipped the women layer to the shape here, to the pixels of the bottom layer of our circle layer. Now I'm going to reveal my top layer, the one I duplicated from the women, and now select the eraser tool. So here it is. Select eraser tool. So I'm going to increase the brush size of the eraser. So here, for the other settings, hardness, flow, everything, I'm going to leave it like that. And then here, make sure to select the top layer, the one here, and then just delete. And now to create a new image from what's visible, hold the Control key, Alt key, Shift key, and then press E. So here it is. That's how we can create a pop out of circle effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.